welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. And this is the Realme Wireless Buds, the Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Yeah, that's right. So these are priced at 2,999 Indian rupees right now during the sale, and even at this price point they have managed to provide active noise cancellation and LDAC high resolution audio. It's like a dream come true for many who wanted these features but were low on budget, because you'll find most of these features only on high-end audio devices from Sony, Bose or Sennheiser. So is the active noise cancellation feature on these for real or just a gimmick? Let's find out. So firstly, the build quality. It's quite nice and doesn't feel cheap. The neck band is a little thick but flexible enough. The wire is completely tangle free and of decent quality. The buds on the other hand are a little large and on the heavier side as well, if you compare it to other buds like Oppo Enco M31. This also comes with an IPX4 rating, so dust and sweat is not going to stop these from functioning. So talking about the controls, they are super simple. All of them on the right side. That is the volume buttons, then the multifunction button in the middle to pause play music or to answer or reject calls, then the active noise cancellation button, which also comes with two other features, that is transparency mode and general mode, which I will explain later in this video, the microphone at the very end, and the USB Type-C port on the side. These come with magnetic controls, so once you detach them, they'll be discoverable in your Bluetooth menu. Now once you've done that, I recommend you to download the Realme Link app from the Google Play Store, where you can control a lot of stuff and you can check for firmware updates as well. Now there's no need for me to explain to you the functions of all the buttons, because the Realme app has this superb feature where you can customize the functions of the multifunction button and the active noise cancellation button based on your liking. This helps in avoiding confusion between these and the other Bluetooth earphones that you use. Now when you activate the transparency mode on these, you'll be able to hear ambient sounds a little more clearly. So if I put it in simple words, it means that you'll be able to understand and be a part of conversations even when the buds are plugged in your ears. Not a very useful feature according to me, but it could be useful for some, especially those who pretend like they're listening to music but are actually secretly listening to your conversations with others. Now I had no complaints about the sound. Great mids and lows, thanks to the 13.6mm drivers on these. You can activate bass mode or enhance the vocals in the Realme Link app as well. And to top it all, you get support for LDAC high resolution audio to give you a great sound experience overall. Watching content on streaming platforms was smooth as well. I did not face any audio lag even when I switched from my smartphone to my laptop. But I noticed a slight lag while gaming when LDAC was enabled. Now there's this feature called game mode in the Realme Link app, and after enabling it, I did not face any major lag issues, as Realme claims that it helps in reducing the latency by up to 50%. Now the active noise cancellation on these is not a gimmick, but I did keep my expectations very low. However, it does eliminate a certain amount of noise, up to 35 decibels to be precise. I just wish that the tips protruded a little more so they could give a better fit inside your ears and contribute to passive noise cancellation and increase the overall experience. But you'll eventually get used to it with time. You do get environmental noise cancellation for phone calls thanks to the S1 chipset present in these. That's what Realme calls it. I've used these to make a lot of phone calls, and the person on the receiving end did not face any major trouble trying to understand me. Here's a demo of the microphone quality.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie, and this is the microphone quality of the Realme Buds Wireless Pro. I'm not speaking very loudly here, and yet my voice is quite clear.
The battery life of the Realme Buds Wireless Pro is quite good considering all the features. On the box it says 22 hours, but I got around 17 hours with the active noise cancellation enabled, and the charging time on these is 1.5 hours. You can even fast charge them for 5 minutes and get nearly 1.5 hours of playback time. So in terms of battery life, 10 on 10. Now although the Realme Buds Wireless Pro are very good, but there are some minor drawbacks. The first minor drawback is the ear tips. They are a little bit on the heavier side and they are not protruding very well to give a better fit in the ears. The second minor drawback is the price point. I just think that 2,999 is just perfect for these. Increasing the price will bring second thoughts in the minds of people, and by the time Realme decides on it, there will already be a competition in the market. The third minor drawback is that if you use the active noise cancellation for too long, your ears might become a little extra sensitive to the ambient noise around you once you take them off. But that is completely on personal preference. Actually, I like the fact that Realme has given clarity on each and every feature stuffed in the Realme Buds Wireless Pro. You can go through the Realme website in case you're not convinced with this video. So my final verdict is that this right here is one of the best neckband earphones out there, and 2,999 is the price what you should pay. Not more than that. So my overall rating for the Realme Buds Wireless Pro would be 4.8 out of 5. Guys, if you like this video or you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates about my new videos. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then. See you next time.